Hi guys, we are in New Jersey and right now I'm gonna be doing my makeup and I have to hurry up because it's already 12 and I don't know what happened to me, but I was just like sleeping in and like not waking up, and I washed my hair and my diffuser is not really getting hot, so this might take a while, but I'm gonna be doing my makeup and I'm just gonna be doing a little get ready with me on TikTok, so you guys can go watch that if you want later. But yeah, I've already shown my makeup a lot, so I'm really excited what we have planned for the day. This is my outfit for the day. I have to see what coat. Also, I love how my makeup turned out today. I have a slick pony, but I'm not sure if I should wear like my trench coat. I don't know. Let's figure that out together. So I have my earmuffs and my knit little gloves, but I'm gonna put my coat and see. I had brought like boots and stuff like that, but I think I'm just gonna wear sneakers just because it's comfortable and I don't want to be walking around like uncomfortable. But yeah, let me see if this even fits because I'm wearing a lot of layers under here. So let's see. It's a little tight, but actually I think I like this. It's actually really cute. And then I have my knit stuff. But yeah, this is the outfit. Alright guys, we are ready and we're gonna be going to the train station so we can go to New York because we're currently in New Jersey. Yeah, it takes like an hour to get there, so we're gonna be driving.
Have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need,
You guys, it is so cold here. I can't. We're in Central Park right now and it's so cold. My lips are really chapped, but oh my. Good morning guys, it is the last day, literally my voice. So we're gonna be driving to the station and then we're gonna go on the train to New York, and yeah, we're gonna get there in an hour. But this is today's look. I'll show you guys a little bit later. Hopefully we have time to have some breakfast before Dad has to go to work.
Your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much.
So we're at the edge. It's so pretty. Okay, now we're at the vessel. It is closed, but so cute. And I took off my gray little sweater I had on. But yeah, my dad's holding everything.